For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, today I will show you how to add slide number in PowerPoint presentation. It is very easy to do and all you need is to click on insert, then click on slide number. A pop-up window will appear, then click on slide and go down and you can check on slide number. Also, as you can see, once you click on this slide number, this window will get highlighted and the numbers will be shown at the bottom right corner of the screen or presentation. Then click on apply to all. Then when you add a new slide, the number gets added automatically. As you can see, 1, 2, and 3. So in this way, you can easily add slide number in PowerPoint presentation. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.